How to convert Excel to CSV. So the first step is to simply open Excel, and after you open your file that you want to convert, what you're gonna have to do is simply go to File, then simply click on Save As, and then you're gonna have to simply click on File Format. And if you scroll down, you should see CSV here, as you can see, and basically you have multiple options to choose from. Now keep in mind that if you don't see these options here, what you're gonna have to do is simply open your browser and then simply search for convert Excel to CSV, and then click on the first link, which is this one here, and then you're gonna get redirected here. Simply select your file, so you're gonna have to go back to Excel and save this as a normal Excel file, and then simply go back and select your file again, and then here make sure that CSV is selected, and then click on convert, and then simply wait until this it's finished, and then click on download, and that's all. So as you can see, now we have our CSV file. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.